Hello, this is Robbie from AnyDesk support. Today I'll show you how to remote Astro workplaces using AnyDesk application. I've downloaded the AnyDesk application on the desktop. Double click to run it. To remote into the AnyDesk workplace, you need to use this 9-digit number on the remote computer and connect to it. I'm going to connect to this computer from my device. As you can see, it will prompt up and asks to accept the remote connection. Click accept, and now it is being remotely controlled. Disconnect, click on disconnect, and it will disconnect. Now, in order to allow remote users from connecting to this computer without having to accept the connection, you can set the unattended access. To do that, click here, and it will show the security menu. Check the enable unattended access, and now here set password. The password needs to be at least 8-digit, and you should use a combination of numbers and symbols so that the password is strong. Click apply to set the password. Now when the remote device connects to this remote workplace, it will request for password, and once the password is entered, the remote will be connected. Okay, as you can see, the remote was auto accepted, and as you can see, the session is ongoing, and it can be controlled from remote computer or device. Now I'm going to do the same on the second workplace. Here on the second workplace, I've downloaded AnyDesk on the desktop as well. Now let's run it. This is I've connected to the second workplace from this computer previously, so it is listed here. As you can see, it has a different AnyDesk address than the first workplace, and we can connect to the second workplace from here. It will prompt us for password. Okay, I'll enter the password, and if you wanted to automatically log in without asking for password again, then check the login automatically from now on checkbox and click OK. Now you'll see that I am connected to the first workplace through AnyDesk. As you can see here, it's terminal number 1, workplace number 1, and let's close the session. When you close AnyDesk, it will ask you to install AnyDesk on the computer. Sorry. You should never install AnyDesk on the computer. If you install AnyDesk, then it will give you the same AnyDesk address, the 9-digit number for all of the workplaces that are on your computer. So keep in mind not to install AnyDesk on the computer if you want to remote individual workplaces. Now coming on to the first workplace, let's try connect to the second workplace from here. Okay, now the first workplace is remoting into the second workplace using AnyDesk. As you can see here, indicate second workplace. So this is how you can remote into the workplace, second workplace from first workplace, or you can remote into either of the workplaces using AnyDesk from anywhere in the world. Just make sure that you set a unattended password so that they can connect to the AnyDesk without having to click on accept button every time they want to connect. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding remoting into the workplaces on Aster, then feel free to contact us using WhatsApp or Skype mentioned in the description. Thank you. Have a nice day.